Christmas to you all. Hopefully everyone is able to celebrate with their friends and family this year. I know I was able to, thanks to my buddy Daniel, who took me out goose hunting the days leading up to Christmas. I want to thank him for finally getting me into waterfowl hunting after years of trying to do so. It was an absolute blast, so thanks, buddy. So I just wanted to go over a couple of things before we get into this video. First of all, regarding the pheasant hunting video I just uploaded a couple days ago, all of the footage shown takes place on a pheasant farm. So it's purely pheasant farm hunting video rather than wild bird hunting, just to clear up any misconceptions there may be out there. As stated, it is purely pheasant farm hunting. Second of all, regarding opening day of duck season, we have footage from that day. It is of my first drake shot, and the footage is very dark because it was at opening. It was right after opening, so apologies about that. And then also Daniel shot his first teal, which is awesome. Photos above, and there's also a photo later in the video. I forgot to have the footage of that. I apologize, but here's a photo to make up for it. Lastly, I know we're not pros at this yet, so I apologize, but we have missed bird shots on camera because we accidentally hit off on the camera instead of recording. So definitely apologies about missing some footage, but we got plenty of it from this year. But we'll get more next year. So anyways, let's get into Waterfowl Hunting 2020.
Block out there right now, Colin. Is it still got its head up, Colin?
What?
That's still alive? You want me to shoot it?
I got my gun.
Well, if you want to shoot it again, I don't know if it's dead or not. Yeah, it looks like it still got its head up. Well, no, just wait. We'll get closer and see if we can grab it. Ring. That was had its head up, doesn't it? Yeah, here, back up and shoot it. Oh, that's too close, Colin. Back up and blast him. That's fine. There you go. Now she's done. There you go. Now she's flapping, Colin. It's a drake.
I got a drake?
It's a young drake, but it's a drake. There's your first duck, bud.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, I thought he was moving his head up.
No. No band. That's pretty sweet.
Watch him. Nope. Let's be quiet one. Alright. This is so cool.
There you go.
Which looks like it could be these. Can't tell what they are. That's the A drake.
Done.
That's some shells.
Yeah, I wasn't on them good enough.
Tasted them right away.
I wasn't on them good enough that first one.
You ready, Daniel?
Shoot him.
Up there, a couple back.
Oh, there's another big fuck over Menard. Or over from the line. Dude, he's going.
Cupped up behind us. 5 of them.
I fucking got one! Yeah! I'm out of shells. I think this one's mine. No. No? Which one's mine?
This one.
Oh, that one's mine? Yeah. Fuck, I hit this one. Got him.
There's still circles on it.
I have to reload. Oh, dude, you got a big fucker. You got a big
Camera
one.
on?
Yeah, camera's on. It fell off.
Any bands? No.
No.
Holy shit, Colin, we did it!
First fucking shot!
Oh, look, I murdered somebody!
For the viewers, look at this fucker. Oh, he's a nice juice.
Dude.
This is a nice juice.
I hit that other one.
No, I only got one on the first shot.
I shot, this one my first shot, and I shot at the second one.
Okay.
I killed it.
This is my first shot, and then I killed it. Oh, I didn't kill anyone, but I
You
just
pounded that fucker in the head.
yeah. Shit, I can't shoot at him. They're no right past you. Oh, let's take some shots.
Ready?
Hey, you hit your damn limit. He's gone. Wait, is he coming back?
No, he'll come back. That's his mate.
Is it loaded?
Yeah.
I don't think the gun was the issue. I think it was just me leading too much.
It's jammed.
It's jammed?
I got it.
He's like, screw my mate, I'm leaving. Almost in a small.
Yeah, he's a little guy. He's a little midget. I like him small. He's cute. You're like, they're not gonna fly around the house, and they come right close. I'm like, I'm killing him.
I'm watching him. They're not low enough.
That's pretty freaking high.
Yeah. They're going to that other field.
Dude.
Huh. Watch your
That
dick.
would be so bad, man. Thanks.
Are they turning? Are they turning? Oh, they're turning.
They fly over you, shoot at them.
Okay.
If you think you can kill them, go nuts.
Miss. Oh, I hit one. I hit one. Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Get it.
Yes. Woo! Yes. No band. You sure? Yeah. Okay. I think he's alive.
I hear it, give me it. Oh, right here. Big one.
Shit, there's a big one behind us too.
Here, you got a copy. That gun's loaded.
This one's loaded too. I just loaded it.
Behind them. You think you can whale on it? Not right now.
No, they're too high.
They're not that high.
These ones are
Watch all
coming.
these, watch all these.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh shit. Oh, there's two lone ones right for me.
If you want to shoot, I'll shoot.
Never mind.
This way. Watch this spot.
They might see me. Actually, do you want me to hit one of these three?
If you can. No, don't shoot
No,
down the road.
no. They're turning to the road. Shit, these ones are turning.
Watch if they come over. Dude, I told you hit that.
On the third shot, baby.
Yes, dude.
Well, thanks for tuning into this video. Hunting duck and geese was an absolute blast. Definitely gonna try and get out even more next season because holy crap, this was awesome. Never experienced anything like this before. And now I see duck and geese in a whole new fashion. It's sweet. Hopefully I'll keep practicing my calling skills and maybe I can actually be a decent caller with Daniel and his dad next year. But how did your waterfowl season go this year? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how yours was. I'd say mine was pretty good, but maybe you all had a better season. So let me know. But yeah, hey, leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks, y'all.